How to improve your credit score fast, step-by-step guide. 1. Start by knowing your credit score and report before you do anything. You need to know where you stand. Your credit score is like a report card for your financial behavior. You can check it for free using apps like Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, or even through your bank. But don't just look at the number. Check your full credit report too. You can get a free copy from annualcreditreport.com. Look at what's on there. Are there late payments, high balances, accounts you don't recognize? These are the clues to why your score is low, and they'll help you figure out what to fix first. Think of this like going to the doctor. You can't treat the issue until you know what the problem is. Once you understand your credit situation, you can take real action. 2. Pay your bills on time. Every single one. Your payment history makes up the biggest part of your credit score, about 35%. That means paying your bills on time is the most important thing you can do to raise your score. Even one missed payment can stay on your report for up to 7 years. That sounds scary, but the good news is, once you start paying everything on time, your score can bounce back quickly. If you're forgetful, set reminders or set up auto pay for at least the minimum amount due. Even paying just the minimum keeps your account in good standing. Consistency is everything here. Your credit score loves good habits, even if they're small. 3. Lower your credit card balances. Utilization matters. Here's a simple trick that works fast. Lower how much of your credit limit you're using. This is called your credit utilization ratio, and it's the second biggest factor in your score. Let's say your credit card has a $1,000 limit, and you owe $900. That's a 90% utilization rate, and it hurts your score. Try to get that below 30%, and ideally under 10% for the best results. Even if you can't pay off the full balance right away, paying down a chunk can make a big impact in just a few weeks. And if you have multiple cards, focus on the ones with the highest balances first. Bonus tip, don't spend more just because you pay some off. Keep spending low and your score will thank you. 4. Fix any mistakes on your credit report. You'd be surprised how often credit reports contain errors. Sometimes it's a late payment that never actually happened. Sometimes it's an account that isn't even yours. These mistakes can hurt your score for no reason. That's why it's so important to go over your credit report line by line. If you find something wrong, file a dispute. It's free and can be done online through each credit bureau, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Fixing just one error could boost your score significantly, so take the time. It's totally worth it. 5. Use smart hacks like credit limit increases or becoming an authorized user. There are some fast, clever ways to raise your score if you play it smart. First, try asking your credit card company for a credit limit increase. If they say yes and you don't increase your spending, your utilization goes down, and your score can go up without you even making a payment. Just make sure it doesn't involve a hard credit check, which could slightly drop your score temporarily. Second, if you have a family member or close friend with good credit, ask if they'll add you as an authorized user on one of their credit cards. You don't need to use the card. Just being added lets their good credit history show up on your report, which can help your score, especially if you're just starting out. These are simple moves that take almost no time but can have a big payoff. Final thoughts. Improving your credit score doesn't happen overnight, but if you take these steps seriously, you can see progress fast, sometimes in just a few weeks. Start with the basics. Know your score, pay on time, keep your balances low, and clean up any mistakes. Remember, your credit score is a tool. It can open doors or hold you back. Treat it with care, and it'll reward you with better interest rates, easier approvals, and more financial freedom. You've got this.